Hey everybody, this is Rudy. I'm going to do another iteration of this 100-second video. This time I'll start from the top and go work our way back. So starting from the requirements and working down to the test results. Trying to go a little bit faster, so some of these slides might just fly by you, but we'll see how close we can get. So I'm going to start off this timer here, and we'll just go ahead. Start. All right. So each requirement is discussed in daily Scrum team meetings. You can see that they're expressed in these requirements are in Jira as issues, as tickets, and the red ones are bugs. The blue ones are stories. So each story has this the description of the functional description given when then. All these are called acceptance criteria, and the story itself is actually tied to TestRail. And in TestRail, we connect our feature files, which are written in Cucumber, and the story numbers are in there in the file name. We also have tags. You can see that the scenarios are written in given, when, and then, and this should match the criteria that's in the story. So within Cucumber, every time a Cucumber line is executed, it is actually executing some Ruby code, which are the step definitions. So that's there. The tests are run in Jenkins. So this is our Jenkins pipeline here. And you can see we have, it gets pulled out of Git and it goes through SonarQube analysis, functional testing. It's running in Sauce Labs. It can take several hours. You can see here. It goes through all the different browsers. Extended testing, accessibility, security, stuff like that, performance. And when it's all done, actually, before I talk about that, the step definitions I'm sorry, the stages are defined in this Jenkins file. And here you can see the different types of browsers we're using for Sauce Labs. And over here you can see the tags. Tags describe the how the flow as it goes through Jenkins. So you can either have a quick smoke test and wherever those tags are used in the scenarios, that's what you're going to be running. So we have different levels of testing. Obviously, we want to go through every single test, maybe that's written in our feature files, unless it was like a weekend or something like that. But nightly runs are regression tests. So every night we get these emails out of Jenkins and shows us what we have, how was but we have the results from the previous night's runs, and you can see some are actually Windows, some are using browsers, and some are REST API tests, some are accessibility tests. So we get those every night, and if you drill down into one of those, you can see the Cucumber results. In this particular one, it is a REST API test. Tells you how long it took and the test environment. If you click on one of these areas here, you can see the all the scenarios that were run and each feature file within the scenario. You can also click down and drill down further and find out within the scenario which one failed, which steps passed, which ones failed. They're all color coded. So let's see.